Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make ube Spanish bread or ube pandesal. Okay, so we need like 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And then we also need 1/2 a cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of ube powder. And then mix everything together. Then set aside lang natin siya. Okay, so in a separate bowl, just add 2 and 1/4 teaspoon of dry active yeast. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar. And add 2/3 cup of warm water. And then set aside natin siya mga 10 to 15 minutes. Leave lang natin siya sa counter hanggang magbubble. And then we also need 2/3 cup of warm milk and 1/2 cup of melted butter. So in a separate bowl, just add 2 whole eggs, and then we're going to add the melted butter and also the warm milk. And we need to add at least 3 tablespoons of ube halaya and 2 tablespoons of ube extract. And then mix everything together hanggang mag-incorporate na yung ating mga ingredients. And then make sure lang na na-mix natin yung ating ingredients para yung color niya is maging pantay lang. And then i-add na din natin yung ating yeast mixture. Ayan, nagbubble na siya. And then add na natin siya sa ating egg and milk mixture. Okay, so we're gonna add the dry ingredients after this. Okay, so just make sure na na-mix natin maigi yung ating flour mixture bago natin ilagay doon sa ating wet ingredients. So, ako, pag gumagawa ako ng ganito, kanya-kanya naman ng ano yan style. So, inalagay ko unti-unti muna yung ating flour. And then, kasi gusto ko mag-fair yung color ng ube. And then, mas madali na lang to i-knead kung meron kayong stand mixer. So, kung wala naman, so, kamay na lang ang gagamitin nyo for kneading. Pero mas madali kung sa ating stand mixer. So, kung meron kayong stand mixer, ilagay nyo lang yung ating mixture ng ganito, yung meron pang dry pa, para hindi siya masyadong sticky dun sa bowl. Ako ganyan akong gumawa. But, iba-iba kasi kung paano gumawa yung tao. So, ayan, lalagay lang natin yung attachment ng mixer. Ang gagamitin natin yung hook for kneading. Ayan. So, i-knead natin siya ng at least 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, no. 15 minutes. To be exact. So, 15 minutes natin siyang i-knead hanggang maging elastic na yung ating dough. Okay, so while kneading, we still need to add like 1/4 to half cup of flour. So when you notice that your dough is a little bit sticky, kasi nga we add like half cup of butter. So medyo sticky yung ating dough. So all we have to do is put a little amount of flour while kneading hanggang matapos natin yung 15 minutes. Hanggang ma-reach natin yung desired texture natin, yung elastic texture ng dough. Okay, so ayan, medyo hindi na siya dumidikit sa ating bowl. So, i-check natin kung elastic na yung ating dough. Yan, pagka elastic na siya, yan, ganyan dapat siya. That's the time na pwede na nating i-stop yung ating pag-knead. Actually, is 15 minutes na yan. So, ayan. Yan ang magiging texture ng ating dough. Elastic. Okay, so in a separate bowl, igigrease lang natin yung ating bowl. Then, ita-transfer natin yung ating dough. Ayan, elastic na siya, oh. Then, transfer natin sa greased bowl. Ayan. Okay lang yung medyo may ano pang flour na ganun. Kasi para hindi dumikit. And then, pag na-transfer na natin siya sa bowl, ibabrush lang natin siya ng konting oil. And then, lagyan natin siya ng cover and leave for at least 1.5 to 2 hours para mag-double yung ating size ng dough. So, while we're waiting for the dough to rise, in a pan, just melt 1/3 cup of butter. And then, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose, nagkamali ako. So, it's not breadcrumbs. So, ilagay nyo muna yung all-purpose flour pagkatapos ng butter para maluto yung ating flour instead of adding the breadcrumbs. So, butter muna, then all-purpose flour, and then add 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. So, I messed up. But anyway, pwede pa naman to. Ayan. So, remedyohan na lang natin. So, ilalagay natin ngayon yung ating flour, which is dapat yan ang una natin nilagay bago ang ating breadcrumbs. Then, after nyan, we also need to add milk, like evaporated milk. Just add 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. Kung wala kayong evap, you can use fresh whole milk, like 1/3 cup. Pareho lang din yan. And then, mix everything together hanggang mag-ano siya. A little bit grainy, no? Dahil dun sa ating breadcrumbs. Pero, kailangan i-mix natin siya thoroughly. Then, after nyan, pag na-mix na natin yan, papatayin natin yung heat. Then, pag napatayin na natin yan, at saka lang natin ilalagay yung ating 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Then, mix everything together hanggang ano na siya, thoroughly mix na siya. And then, set aside na natin siya for later use. Okay, so after 2 hours, ayan na, nag-double na siya. Double ng size. Then, lagay na natin siya sa ating work table. Lagay tayo ng flour. And then, hahatiin na natin yung ating dough. So, pwede kayong gumawa ng loaf, ube loaf bread. If you like, ganyan lang ang gagawin nyo. I-roll nyo siya sa breadcrumbs. And then, lagay nyo lang siya sa loaf pan. Kung meron kayong loaf pan. And then, after nyan, tatakpan nyo lang siya. Mag-wait ulit kayo ng another 30 minutes para mag-double up ulit siya. So, i-divide natin yung ating dough into equal parts. No? So, weigh natin. Pagka plain, 50 to 55 grams. And then, pagka naman Spanish bread, mga 65 grams. So, ayan. Then, pagka, itong gagawin ko ngayon is Spanish bread. So, ipa-flatten lang natin siya ng rolling pin. Mga about, siguro mga 7 to 8 inches long. Sa 65 grams. So, yan, flatten natin siya sa 6 to 7 inches long. And then, spread natin yung ating filling, yung sugar filling, butter sugar filling sa middle. And then, i-roll natin siya from the bottom pataas. Tsaka natin siya i-cover ng breadcrumbs, plain breadcrumbs. Kung pandesal with filling naman, so flatten lang natin siya and then shape natin yung dough into a ball and then roll natin into breadcrumbs. Ganyan lang. Make sure na nakatack-in mabuti yung ating dough each side kasi para hindi lumabas yung ating filling. Okay, so pagkalagay natin lahat sa tray, i-cover lang natin yung tray natin ng cloth and then leave for 30 minutes to 1 hour para mag-double ulit yung ating dough. Magdo-double pa yung size niya eh. And then, iset natin yung ating oven sa 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan, nag-double na siya. And then, bake natin ng 15 minutes to 20 minutes hanggang mag-golden brown. Ayan, gumawa rin ako ng loaf bread. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyo gumawa ng loaf bread. With the same ingredients or kung gusto niyo gumawa ng pandesal or ube Spanish bread, kung anong gusto niyo palaman or nasa sa inyo yun. So, I hope you like the recipe for today or the video for today and I hope na makagawa rin kayo nito. Super easy lang and super sarap. And thank you for watching, everyone.